Today we're working on this Aaon RN0268 AB04, model number 65204. The plane is not cooling. This one's working. This one's working. This one's dead. And it's not doing anything. And we have a bad compressor contactor. Not pumping too well, so we are going to get the model number, serial number, and go get a replacement and see if we can get it to fire up. Pretty big unit here. Checked all our fuses, everything's good. We had an issue with the fan, which we had those two capacitors or contactors changed, along with two capacitors up top. We're going to shoot over to Granger's and get a contactor for this beast and see if we can get it fired up. Coils are clean. We cleaned them about a month ago. Filters aren't bad. I doubt the heat recovery wheel works in this thing. We're going to test that next after we fix compressor number 3 here. So this is the culprit. Actually, this is the culprit, I should say. That and hopefully that relay is still good right there. We can check that real quick, but we'll see. I'll let you know the update in a little bit. Alright, we're back here with the Aaon. The contactor was changed out. Did a little more troubleshooting, and now we found out that this relay right here is bad, which controls that compressor right there. So we're going to have to order a new relay. It's probably going to take a week to get from Aaon, I would imagine, since they're so slow. We'll order it, put it in, and see what happens. Alright guys, we're back at the Aaon. I was able to shut the power down and play around with this relay a little bit. We got her to work for now, so what we're going to do is order another relay. We're going to put that in because I'm pretty sure it's probably going to fail again. So for now, we got all 4 compressors up and running. We're going to get this building cooled off. And see you on the next one.